from Ravishing Woman. So for our retro, we had Swati Rangan, Lata Pat, Kanika Mahal, Dimple Dhanati, Shreya Chandra, and Priya Jangiani. For our modern outfits, we had Simran Kota, Kashish Agarwal, Savita Karuhati, Darshana Dave, Manisha Prasad, Samita Satpati. And our two little girls, those who really quickly changed their outfits in less than 3 minutes, really a big applause for them, are Asna and Abdi. This entire show was choreographed by none other than Rinku and Manisha. Please give them a big hand. They're really put up efforts for us. And with that, I would like to say thank you to Aitabu Tabu and hand over the mic to Lily. Thank you.
Thank you, Becca. Thank you, Ravishing team. I'm sorry didn't mean to cut you off, but we are really running behind. Thank you so much for your patience. Please just be patient with us. We have a big show coming up. Still a lot of dances for you. So